I've just been for a ride on the V2, and I tell you what, every single time I ride this bike, it just makes me so happy, puts a smile on my face, and I come back just, you know, pumped every time, every single time I ride. It doesn't matter whether it's a short ride, a long ride, it just makes me so happy. But that's not what this video is about. I actually just wanted to do a quick video on how these aftermarket fairings are keeping up. It's one thing to do a video and unbox the fairings and put them on and they fit great. I've had them on for several months and I'm going to show you how they've held up. That'll probably give you a better indication of whether they're worth spending your money on. Okay, so I really want to make sure that if I'm backing this product from Amotopart, that it is the real deal, you know, and I just want to make sure that anyone that has used my promo code DIYMoto to get your 10% off, I want to make sure that you're happy as well. And I'd love you to put some feedback in the comments. And if you haven't been happy, let me know, because I'm not going to back a product that that I've recommended to someone and they haven't been happy with. Okay, so please let me know. I'll give feedback to Amotopart themselves as well. So let me know whether you've been unhappy or whether you've been happy with your fairings. So without further ado, let's have a look at the fairings close up. So after several months of riding, let's just take a look around. You know, the gap seems to be okay. Let's have a look. The fairing seems to have held on to its really nice shine. I can't see any paint that has flaked away or anything like that. To be honest with you, this is the first time I've had a really close look myself, so, you know, we're doing this together. I haven't had a really good look at these fairings at all, to be honest with you, after putting them on. So there's a bit of spatter there, I think, from the chain lube that the the dealership used. So, all right, let's have a look at this side. All seems to be holding up really well. There's a bit of a gap there, but you know, these are just minor things. I mean, can I just say, every time I ride this bike anywhere, I get comments. Now, there is something very important that I wanted to mention, and I have mentioned this to a few people who have messaged me about purchasing these fairings for their V2. I don't know whether this applies to other models of bikes, but as you can see, this bolt and the plastic tab here, I snapped it, I over tightened it, and I snapped it, and that holds these bottom fairings together. So I've actually had to apply tape here, which is pretty dodgy, and my plan is in winter, when I winterize this, to remove these bottom fairings and actually fix these tabs and reinforce them with a bit of fiberglass. So just look, my recommendation would be that if you do buy these for a V2 or anywhere where there is a tab that is being held together, or it's a, you know, these tabs here, they're not going to break. They're quite strong, right? Same as these bolting points here, and any of the other tabs on the bike. But if you have a tab similar to the one that I've just shown you, where it's holding two fairings together, I mean, this is only ABS plastic, so it's I'm thinking that the OEM plastics is much stronger, you know, because it's a blended polymer, and I'm not sure exactly what they use. It would be stronger and more flexible. ABS is strong. It's very strong. I mean, I've you know, I had to bend some of these fairings just to get them in place, right? So it is a very strong plastic. It's strong, it's durable, but it can be a little brittle. So I went in, you know, not thinking straight, and I just wanted to get the job completed. So I over tightened the bolt and I ended up snapping it. So just my warning, if you see any tabs like that, I would strengthen them. And I haven't shown you the front actually. The front's still looking really good. Even the windscreen, this aftermarket windscreen, which I thought was, you know, not great quality at first, but it is pretty good. So I'm really happy, guys. So you know, I can't say enough about these fairings. I've been for multiple rides through the hills, you know, throwing the bike around quite a bit, and you know, the fairings have held up. So that's it, just a short video, and I hope that's given you enough. I really wanted to give you the information on the broken tab, and yeah, if you do decide to buy these Amotopart fairings, use my promo code DIYMOTO and you'll get yourself 10% off, which is, I think, is a great deal. Hope you enjoyed the quick update, and I'd love you to like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.